Hop. 5, 6, 7, and 1. 6, 7, and 1. And we'll move front and back. Hello, La Suerte Dance School, Michal and Anna. Welcome to the second class of our beginner's bachata course for couples. In the previous class, we showed you how to dance basic step in open position, how to move left and right and front and back. And today we'll show you the same in closed position. We'll show also how to change between positions. So how to fluently open and fluently close the couple. Let's do it. Okay. The last time we were dancing in open position, so one more time how we were doing it. 2 thumbs, she's grabbing them, I close my fingers on top, and a bit of tension in our arms. Yeah? This is what we want to dance in open position. Now how to stand in closed position first. Not how to get into it, but how to stand. So left hand stays as it was. I'm still holding it the same way, thumb inside, rest of the fingers on top. My second hand goes somewhere behind her back. Not too low, maybe between shoulder blades, maybe tiny bit lower, her hand on the shoulder. Another thing is that she's not really resting her hand on mine, she's holding it, so if I drop it, it should stay by itself. You see, it's a bit tricky, You can check if girls are depending on you a lot when you are dancing like that. In general, if you did many dances, and your partners were like leaning over you guys, it will be tiring. We don't want that really. So guys, you're responsible of holding your own arms, and girls, you do the same for yourself, okay? So we are not leaning over each other, and this is our position. About the distance, I know that you are beginners. Yeah, this is second class of beginners course, and you are probably not necessarily comfortable with dancing close to each other yet. So this distance at the beginning is okay. However, dancing bachata really close is completely normal as well. Yeah, so we'll teach you how to dance in very, very close contact. But for now, if you want, you can keep small distance in here as well. That's perfectly fine when we are learning at the beginning. Okay, we'll rotate this direction so you can see our feet. Mine left is outside, Anna's left is outside as well. Thanks to that, again, we will not stomp on each other's feet, especially when we start moving front and back. Ting, 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 cuckoo. Okay, so this is important. Always try to think that your legs are crossing. We'll start basic step to the side in close position. 5, 6, 7, to the left. Tiki, tiki, tap, and right. Tiki, tiki, tap. Obviously, I'm talking about guys' perspective. 5, 6, 7, tiki, left, right, left. And right, left, right. Girls, you go right, right, and left, right, left. It is quite important to synchronize in here. So we go together one direction, tap together, and come back opposite. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 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 Tiki. Very good exercise for you guys when you are starting dancing is to do exactly what we've done a second ago. So not only travel left, go back to the right, go to the left, come back to the right, but when you are going left, right, start rotating slightly a couple. So you go left, right, left, small rotation to the right, and then a bit more rotation, and a bit more. And if you want, you can reverse it opposite direction. And king, 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 cuckoo. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 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 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, tiki. And you could ask, how does she know that I'm rotating? So all of this happens because of rotation of my upper body. She just reads that and joins me. Don't overthink it. It's absolutely not important to think about it much. Just do it in a, okay, I would like to say confident way. But again, I know that you are beginners and you are learning, and the confidence is something that develops over time. So at the beginning, you might struggle a bit with this rotation, but it's definitely a thing worth practicing. When we did open position, we did step to the left and to the right and front and back. And let's do the front and back right now as well. So exactly the same rules as previously. Now, it is a lot easier if we are dancing close in here. And the reason for that is that I start feeling where her feet are. So I don't have to analyze too much again. I just avoid her feet in very easy way. If you step out from each other, surprisingly, it's tiny bit more difficult. The worst thing you could do in here is this. Yeah, just look in between your feet. Don't do that. Don't do that. Look forward, look at your partner, wherever you like. Just don't look at your feet. Let's go front and back very, very slowly. Guys, start with the left. Girls, go back with the right. 5, 6, 7. Tiki. 1, 2, 3, and tap. And 5, 6, 7, and tap. And left, right, left, and tap. And right, left, right, and tap. Left, right, left, and tap. And right, left, right, other way. And 1, 2, 3, and tap. And 5, 6, 7, and tap. And 1, 2, 3, and tap. And 5, 6, 7, and tap. And 1, 2, 3. And basic side hop. Cheeky. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. So change is exactly the same as previously. 5, 6, 7. We finish whole loop. Tick. And 5, 6, 7. Stop. I tapped with the left. She tapped with the right. And the same foot moves forward for girl back. 2, 3. Tiki. 5, 6, 7. Tuku. Again, the same in here. We finish whole loop. 5, 6, 7. Tap and go to the basic. Ting. Kunku. 5, 6, 7. Tuku. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Tiki. Okay. You could say, this is nothing fancy. I can't show off in front of my friends doing the steps. Yes, that's correct. However, this is the base of everything. We'll build everything else basing on these steps. So what do we want to do now? This is our closed position. This is our open position. We can't jump between them like I did a second ago. We want to do it in a nice, fluent way, so our arms are touching. So I like this one expression that somebody said, no airbrushing in bachata. No airbrushing. So we don't do it this way. No, it's bachata. Just slide arm over arm, finish palm to palm. You can slide your wrist under. Just take your time and don't be afraid of contact, because if you decided to dance in couple, you have to get used to that. For us, it's easy. We are married, so. But you don't have to be married to dance bachata. Majority of people who dance bachata are not married. Okay. We'll start front and back in closed position, and then we'll open it. The opening will start while I go back. 5, 6, 7, hop. 1, full basic. And 5, 6, 7, get ready. 1, 2, and slide. Open. 5, 6, 7, push. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. So what happened in here, when I was walking back on 5, 6, 7, I made a bit bigger steps, and this is when I open. We'll do it again. 5, 6, 7, hop. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. We could do it this direction again, but you will not see that much. Actually, you will, because of our elbows. 5, 6, 7, tiki. 1, 2, 3. Full basic. 5, 6, 7. Get ready. 1, 2, and slide. And 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. So this is opening position. In step front and back. Now we'll open position when going to the side. 5, 6, 7, tiki. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7, stop. In here, I could do it both directions, walking to the left or walking to the right. But I will show you how to do it walking to the left. So during 1, 2, 3, 4, not only I will go to the side, but slightly step back. 5, 6, 7, hop. It's not a big step back. I'm just creating a bit of distance between us. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We'll show the same opposite direction. 5, 6, and slide. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So this time when we are walking left and right, we are sliding. Next section, how to do it opposite direction. So how to close position. There are multiple ways to close position. Probably the easiest is with turn, but we haven't done turns yet. So we'll show you something different. Place your right hand, guys, that is facing the ceiling, and girl's hand is lying on top of it. So I'd like to call it pizza box position. So imagine you're carrying pizza, okay? And on top of that, girl's hand is placed. I move the pizza box to the left, so you can see her face under the arch. And this is when I stick my head in. Her hand stays behind my back, slides a bit on shoulder, and my hand goes behind her back. I'll show different perspective for this part. So arm up, palm facing the ceiling, move it to the left. We have arch, put your head inside, release the hand, slide it behind her back. She's sliding her hand on my shoulder. Easy peasy? No, especially if you have to do it during steps. So we'll show you how it works with steps, and this time we'll do this action when we travel to the right. So we'll have 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and now 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5. Open to the left, 1, 2, close to the right, 5, 6, 7, hop. Nobody would dance really like that, just open, close, open, close, open, close. That would be quite boring. 1, 2, 3, but we can do it for practicing reasons. Let's do it. And 1, 2, open, and 5, 6, close. And basic, 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 we will show opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and open, 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 keep it. 1 basic, 1, get ready, hop and close. 5, 6, 7, tiki, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Bachata is very flexible in time. So if you would like to do the same action on 1, 2, 3 instead of 5, 6, 7, it will most likely work as well. So you don't have always to stick to the same timing. It is very, very fluent. And a good example of what I said a second ago is doing the same action while going front and back. Because if you think about it, we are doing it exactly opposite. So we are opening when we start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, guys, right. 5, 6, 7. And then we'll close when we start with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I think that's clear. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, hop. 1, 2, 3, and open. 5, 6, 7. Pizza box on your head. And basic side. Tiki cuckoo. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Boom. We're going to play music now. And we want you to practice with us. We are going to move to the left, to the right in open position, to the left, to the right in closed position, front and back again, both positions, and then opening and closing position, both directions also. Let's do it. We'll face front first. 5, 6, 7, basic side.
Cuando el amor nos llega,
6, 7, tiki, 1.
todo es tan bonito.
Go 1, 2, 3, and we open position. Let's do it now. Hop, 1, 2, 3, take your time. Slide over arms of your
Cuando
partner.
el amor nos llega,
6, 7, tiki, 1.
cambia el
And
cariño.
get ready for closing. Prepare your palm, and guys, you go. Hop.
Amar que querer no es lo
Girls, you can help to move arm around guy's head, but please don't do it for
tan
them.
bonito mi vida,
And open again. 1.
que nos
And in this
estemos
position,
amando.
front and back. Push.
Porque
1.
hoy el
All
amor
steps.
entró
5,
por la
6, 7,
ventana
tiki, 1.
y nos está acariciando.
And basic side. King.
Y es tan bonito mi vida,
6, 7, 1.
que nos estemos amando.
6, 7,
Que
1.
cuando me besas,
And we
dejas
close position.
disfrutar
Get ready.
lo más
Hop.
dulce que he probado.
5, 6,
Y es
7,
que es
and
tan
1.
lindo
6, 7,
el
and
amor.
1. And we'll move front and back.
Bailando con
Hop.
sentimiento,
1.
mi gente.
5, 6, 7, tiki, 1. 6, 7, tiki, 1. And basic sign. 1,
Cuando el amor nos llega,
6, 7, and 1.
puedes cerrar
And
los
open
ojos,
position. Let's go.
porque él
1,
te hace ver,
2,
te lleva a conocer
and 1. And
lo
close
que
position.
quieren
Ew.
todos.
take your
Cuando el
time.
amor nos
And
llega,
5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and front and back. And we go in close position.
hace
2,
saltar,
and 5, 6, 7, left front,
a todos los
and right back.
corazones.
Left to right, left and in close position, basic side. 1,
Que nos estemos
one more time, front and back, push.
Y
1,
hoy el amor entró por
and
la
slide open.
ventana.
1, this time I did it opposite, so she went out. 1,
Y es tan bonito mi vida.
and 1,
Que
close
nos
now.
estemos
Hop.
amando.
Now she came to me.
Que
See?
cuando me
This is how
besas,
you can
de
play
carne y
around.
fruta,
Both positions,
lo
both
más
directions.
dulce que he probado.
5, 6,
Y es que
7,
es
and
tan
1,
lindo
and basic side.
el amor.
And open position one
Con
more
el
time.
sentimiento pidi.
1, 2, 3, 6, 7, left to right, left, and right, left to right. 1, and front push with your arms. Hop.
Y es tan
Two
bonito
small
mi
steps.
vida.
6, 7, and 1,
Que nos estemos
and basic side. Open position, keep it open.
Entró por
6,
la
7,
ventana
1,
y nos está acariciando.
7, and 1, close position, arms on your head, team behind, hop,
Que nos estemos
and 5, and small steps, very
Que
small.
cuando me besas,
And now enjoy the dance.
dejas disfrutar.
Thing, 1,
Lo
2,
más
3,
dulce que he probado.
very small.
Y es
Feel
que
how
es
your
tan
partner moves the same
lindo
direction as you.
el
And
amor.
boom, 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 boom,
Y es que es tan
Pum, pum.
lindo
6, 7,
el
and 1.
amor.
Good. I watched recently some online classes, not really salsa or bachata, just to see what makes it easier to learn online and what annoys me more. So I discovered that something what annoys me more are long introductions. So instead of that, I decided that I will talk more in the end. So if you want to listen to me, you can stay at the end and listen to all my wisdom. And introductions will be always very short. Okay, coming back to our dance. The most important when you are learning how to dance is A, control your feet, yeah? So we've done these classes solo. There is whole beginners bachata course, just 4 steps. Master them when you want to learn how to dance as a couple. Because what is happening is when you dance as a couple, you have to think about yourself, think about your own movement, and on top of that, start interacting with your partner. Sometimes it's very, very difficult. If you manage to learn steps first, then putting it all together is relatively simple. So first steps, then everything else. This is thing number 1. Now, when you start dancing as a couple together, you want to feel not only that you are moving, but you want to feel that your partner is responding. So it's not only about girls reading what guys want, but also guys trying to read if girls are doing exactly the same what you are thinking about. Okay, so let's say that this will be the first things that you would like to concentrate on while learning how to dance. And we'll obviously show you more moves, because moves are also a way to get there. So I always say to people that learning dancing is a bit like learning foreign language. So what I said just a second ago is a bit like grammar. So you need this grammar, you need to understand what is happening, but then you need the vocabulary as well. So vocabulary are our moves, our footworks, our combinations. All of this will be our vocabulary. And then you learn how to create sentences out of it. So the next time we'll show you how to do basic turns in bachata. So if you want to see that, like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. You can become a patron of our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.